Hello designers. In this video, we're diving into crafting a sleek menu UI design. So, let's kick things off. I've opened up a fresh Figma draft, and now, let's create a new frame. Next up, grab the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle just like this. Now, let's choose a color. Head over to the design menu, and I'll opt for a light gray shade. Let's round off the corners for a softer look. Then, let's ensure it's properly aligned within the frame. Let's head over to the plugins menu and give it a click. If you're not sure how to add plugins, no worries, I've got a tutorial on that. Just click on the link above. Now, let's select the Icon 8 plugin. We're on the lookout for some specific icons, starting with the home icon. Let's search for it right here. Ah, perfect, this is the one we need. Next up, let's search for the settings icon. Click on it to select. Now, let's hunt for the search icon. There it is. Click to add it to the frame. Seems like we accidentally added two search icons. Now, let's select all of them and arrange the spacing between them. Moving them on top of the rectangle. Let's fine-tune the spacing. And there we go, looks just right. Let's tweak the positions of these icons a bit by moving them upward. Now, grab the ellipse tool and draw a circle right here. Let's adjust its position just like this. Time to color it white. Perfect. Now, create another circle on top of it. I'll give this one an orange hue. Great, next step. Place the home icon inside this orange circle. Now, select the text tool, click here, and type Home. Let's increase the text scale and fine-tune its position. Now, select all these icon layers and drag them inside the first frame. Then, select both circles and press Ctrl-G to group them together. Let's select everything, right-click, and choose Frame Selection. Now, let's duplicate it. Select all, press and hold Alt on your keyboard, and drag downwards to create a duplicate. Next, double-click on the circle group we just created. Use the right arrow key to move it to where the settings icon is. Okay, got it in place. Move the settings icon inside this orange circle. Now, shift the home text below the settings icon. Let's change the text from home to settings. Now move the home icon downwards to align it with the search icon. Let's make another duplicate of this second frame by pressing Alt and dragging downwards. Now, repeat the process. Double-click on the circle group. Use the right arrow key to move it where the search icon is. Perfect. Now move the search icon inside the orange circle. Now select this settings text and move it below this search icon and change the text from settings to search. Move the settings icon parallel to the home icon now. Good. Now select all of them. Click here and select Create Component Set. OK. Now time to prototype, so we'll select Prototype. Now double-click on the settings icon first and move its plus icon downwards so that when someone clicks here it would redirect it to this menu bar. Now let's see the settings. On-click is fine. Change it to Smart Animate and then Easy In. The same setting will be used now for the others as well. Now double-click on this search icon and move it all the way to the third frame. Good. Now double-click on this home icon and move its plus to this first frame. OK. Double-click on this search icon and move its plus to the third frame. Now select this home icon of the third frame and move it all the way to the first frame. And now select this settings icon, double-click on it and move its plus to the second frame. OK, now select this component and move them outside the frame like this. Now go to Assets and select this component 1. Click on it to have it on the frame. Now click on Display button on top and our UI design is ready. If you found this video helpful, like it, comment on it, and subscribe to Ace Designs.